Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's video is about budgeting for beginners in the USA. If you ever feel like your money disappears every month and you're not sure where it goes, this video is for you. Budgeting is simply a plan for your money. It helps you decide how much you will spend, how much you will save, and how to avoid unnecessary debt. When you have a budget, you are in control of your money instead of letting your money control you. Living in the United States can be expensive. Rent, groceries, insurance, healthcare, and transportation all add up quickly. On top of that, credit cards make it very easy to spend more than you earn. That is why budgeting is so important. A good budget can help you pay your bills on time, reduce stress, build savings, and work toward your financial goals, whether that is buying a car, a home, or simply having peace of mind. The first step in budgeting is knowing your income. This means your take-home pay, also called net income, which is the money you actually receive after taxes and deductions. Look at your paychecks and add up how much you bring home each month. If your income changes from month to month, use a lower average number so your budget stays realistic. Next, you need to track your expenses. Look at your bank statements, credit card bills, and cash spending from the last 2 or 3 months. Write down everything you spend money on and group it into categories. Common categories are needs, like rent, utilities, groceries, insurance, and minimum debt payments. Wants like eating out, shopping, streaming services, and entertainment, and savings or extra debt payments. This step shows you where your money is really going. A simple method for beginners is the 50-30-20ths rule. With this rule, you use about 50% of your income for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and debt payoff. For example, if you bring home $3,000 a month, around $1,500 goes to needs, $900 to wants, and $600 to savings or paying off debt. In high-cost areas, your needs may be higher, and that is okay. The goal is to keep a healthy balance. One very important part of any budget is an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and expenses like car repairs, medical bills, or job loss can happen at any time. Start by saving $1,000, then slowly build up to 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Keep this money in a high-yield savings account so it is safe and easy to access when you really need it. If you have debt, especially credit card debt, make it a priority in your budget. List all your debts with their balances and interest rates. Try to pay more than the minimum whenever you can. You can focus on the debt with the highest interest first to save money, or the smallest balance first to stay motivated. Most importantly, try to pay your credit card balance in full each month so you do not add new debt. Using a budgeting tool can make things easier. In the USA, popular options include apps like Mint, NAB, and EveryDollar, or even a simple spreadsheet. Many banks also offer built-in spending trackers. Choose a tool that you find easy to use and check it regularly. The best budget is the one you will actually stick with. Remember that a budget is not set in stone. Review it every month and compare what you planned with what really happened. Adjust your categories as needed. Some months will be better than others, and that is normal. Do not give up just because one month did not go perfectly. Budgeting is about progress, not perfection. There are also some USA-specific tips that can really help. If your job offers a 401k match, try to contribute enough to get the full match because it is free money for your future. Pay all your bills on time to build a good credit score. Try to keep your housing costs under about 30 to 35% of your take-home pay. Use high-yield savings accounts for your emergency fund, and check your credit report for free once a year to stay on top of your financial health. Many beginners make common mistakes, like forgetting small daily purchases, not planning for irregular expenses such as gifts or car maintenance, being too strict in quitting, or using gross income instead of net income. Avoid these mistakes by being honest with yourself and building a budget that fits your real life. It is okay to enjoy your money as long as you plan for it. Budgeting does not mean you cannot have fun or enjoy life. It simply means you are choosing where your money goes, instead of wondering where it went. Even small steps, like saving $25 a month, can make a big difference over time. The sooner you start, the more freedom you will have in the future. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with someone who might need help managing their money. Comment below and tell us what your biggest money challenge is right now. And most importantly, subscribe to this YouTube channel for more simple and practical tips about money, saving, and building a better financial future in the USA. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.